All right, tonight we're gonna make elephant toothpaste. I'm so excited. So all you need is hydrogen peroxide. This I actually got at a beauty supply store. The 20% peroxide works best. Dish soap, you need active yeast, you need a funnel, food coloring of your choice, whatever you want your foam to be. A small bowl with warm water, a couple tablespoons, and an 16 ounce water bottle here. So let's get started. First, use a funnel to carefully pour half a cup of the hydrogen peroxide liquid into the clean bottle. Next, add about 10 drops of your favorite food coloring into the bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap into the bottle and swish the bottle around. In a separate bowl or cup, add 3+ tablespoons of warm water and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Mix until it looks like melted ice cream. Goggles are definitely recommended for this project. Add your yeast and water into the bottle and watch the magic happen. Enjoy and try with different colors next time.